Hello, my name is Lily Montgomery, and this is the Chapter 3 discussion. So I got question number 2, and it wants you to define arthritis and then give a brief description of the 3 different types of arthritis, which include osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and gouty arthritis. Starting off with a simple definition of arthritis, it is the inflammation in the joints. I put a little picture of different joints that are in the body, but there are many more that arthritis can attack. Diving into osteoarthritis, it is the most common type of arthritis. The cause of this arthritis is due to mechanical trauma, so just a lot of wear and tear of the body over time and the movement that occurs throughout your lifetime. So that is why you typically see older people having osteoarthritis versus younger people, just because they have had a lot more wear and tear on their body. So what this type of arthritis does is it's the breakdown of hyaline articular cartilage and even bone formation occurring in those joint areas. The most common place you're going to see this type of arthritis are knees and hips, but it still can happen and occur in other joints in the body. It's also known as degenerative joint disease. But if you look at this picture right here, you have a side-by-side of a healthy knee and then a knee that has osteoarthritis. So with that osteoarthritis knee, you see just that cartilage kind of wearing down and then even bone spurs taking place in that joint. Moving on to rheumatoid arthritis, it is actually an autoimmune condition. So what happens here is the body's immune system actually attacks those joint areas. Those joint areas that are most common with rheumatoid arthritis are the finger and hand joints in the body. So what you see right here is redness, you start to lose mobility in those joints, and just very, very severe pain. The picture that I put here is a side-by-side of a normal hand and then a hand with rheumatoid arthritis, and you can see just the fingers are bent differently and there's just a lot of pressure and pain in those joints. And actually in severe cases with rheumatoid arthritis, the bones can actually fuse together, which would cause very, very, very little mobility in those joints. Now, moving on to the last type of arthritis, we have gouty arthritis. Gouty arthritis is the excess production of uric acid. So what happens here, but what you need to know before is that uric acid is a chemical in the body that actually breaks down different substances. However, having that excess production, the circulatory system moves it around the body, and then that uric acid embeds itself into those joint areas. So the most common place you're going to see this is actually the big toe, but again, you can see gouty arthritis in different joint areas of the body too. So this uric acid, you're going to experience very sharp pain, swelling, redness, and again, very similar to the other type of arthritis, it's just a lot of pain when having to move those joint areas. So those were the 3 different types of arthritis and arthritis as a whole, and thank you for watching this video.